So we just got back from the pool. Excuse how I'm looking because I'm wet, but look at what our housekeeper did. She put all of her stuff and she lined them up. Like, how cute is that? She lined up everything nice and neat like this. How cute. So we just got back. Let me take this off. Oh, I'm tired. Oh. Am I, you getting in the shower first or am I?
You go.
Okay. Oh, I can't open this, so I don't know what's going on with the door. But we just got back. I pooped. The sun and the pool, the drinks, everything was just amazing. It was awesome. I had a really, really good time. I'm not sure why I look great like that. But yeah, so dinner is at 6. It's like 4-ish, like 4:30. So we're about to get dressed, take a shower, clean all this chlorine sand off of me. I hope I got some good footage of the cabanas and the pool, the bar, the beach, everything that was on the beach club. But I don't even remember if I got that footage. But it was beautiful. It was awesome. I enjoyed myself. That was probably the best we've had so far. But we still have a few more days left. So I'm about to jump in the shower, get dressed, and then we're going to head to dinner. And where are we going for dinner? Quinto Steakhouse. I'm hoping that if I order a steak, it's gonna be good, because I'm a little nervous. I haven't had really good food here so far, but that's kind of how. Well, you said that I could take mine first. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me jump in the shower and get dressed. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm wearing once I get out of the shower. Well, that's like a little sneak peek because we're supposed to wear all white, but let me jump in the shower. I'll be back.
How nice to be eating.
How beautiful. Good morning. So see. So good morning, y'all. So I'm gonna step in the bathroom. I don't even think y'all can see me. My camera is acting so crazy. Like, it's not adjusting to the lighting. Like, it's irritating me a little bit. Let me get my clothes. I'm throwing it all over the place. Sorry, y'all. I know it's dark. I don't know why my camera's doing this. I literally want a new camera. Okay, so
We probably actually can share.
there we go. So we're about to eat breakfast. We ordered some room service. And we opened up the door. So we're gonna eat breakfast. See how the lighting is? What's going on? It is fogging up because, girl, it is so humid here. So we've been up, actually. We've been up for about, I would say about 2 hours now. Oh my God, y'all, hold on. It's so foggy here. So yeah, it's about to fog back up. Oh my God. Y'all, it's so humid here. But we're about to eat breakfast. We've been up. My mom had to go get a COVID test. I don't know what's so loud. My mom had to go get a COVID test this morning. We did ours yesterday, so we went with her. Then we ordered room service. And we're about to eat breakfast. I'm gonna show y'all.
You said what?
Food.
These are so cute. Oh my God, these are so cute.
Mine. I got an omelet, bacon, hash brown. This is my mom's. You got 2? Let me see yours. Ooh. Yum. Looks so good. Let me get my water bottle. Is this one mine or that one's mine?
The one on the table is mine.
This one?
The one right there is mine.
Okay, so this was mine. Drinking nothing but water today because, yeah. Maybe later I'll indulge in some alcohol, but I was struggling today because I drank so much alcohol yesterday. I don't know if y'all can even see me, but I can't see the scenery.
We did everything right. We might have got like room service.
Yeah, took their ever, but
Not really.
really. I feel like maybe I'm just hungry.
So what time did I say? It was about an hour. But it wasn't that bad though, because think about it, we were on our phone, so.
I'm about to eat. Let me show you. Going to the spa. Oh, this stays open.
Oh, there it is.
I don't know if we have to check in. We have to check in. I need one of the shield ones. Yeah. I feel like you get your nails and pedicure done.
I already got my pedicure nails on. Yeah, I already got it. I didn't do it. Something's on the whole wall.
Yeah. It's just pretty though. I feel like you get more beach over this way. Did we want to walk through the sand? It's way over there. Okay. Ooh, they got a little bar. Pretty, pretty, pretty. It is. They got pineapples.
You should not get the vaccine.
Did y'all want one? Hola.
And the vaccine sterilized people.
Did y'all want one? I don't know how I'm gonna hold it. I got too much stuff, so we could just get something at the thing. Do you want one? Me, you sound like you want one. I don't want to just get one by myself and they have to be struggling trying to hold it. Felicia, we gonna get one. What you getting? A coconut or a pineapple?
And I was so quiet. I didn't
Get out of the shade.
Señorita, some information about activities you want to do?
Oh no, thank you.
Something on mind?
You ain't going down? I'll give you just this.
That works. We gonna need drip. I'm just kidding. No, I started slow
I
today.
get something to eat. I'll pop it.
Oh yeah, I definitely need another little snack or something.
Oh yeah, it has been a minute since we ate. We'll walk over there to the other thing. Can we take these drinks over? Yeah. Okay.
Oh, they probably won't let us take it in there. This is probably just for his beach. Remember, we have to check in over there. And no outside drinks.
Oh, okay.
So do you want to just go over there?
Might as well just go on over there.
Okay, we'll come back then. We'll come back. Thank you. Oh. so pretty. So we're at the pool.
Estuvo mi alma, no volverás solo, no volverás.
Pretty. This is beautiful. This is so pretty. Look at the ocean. I'm trying to think.
Walk over that way. Oh. Yeah, I can't. Oh, yeah.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, I did. You gonna be comfortable doing that?
Come through doing what?
Is it waterproof?
I'm trying to think when we get over there where we go. Oh, no, thank you. Okay. Back there. Okay. Okay. She said it's where? Behind there? How am I getting that on my hand?
Yeah, the last 2 weeks.
Yeah. Y'all got me walk across this with my camera. Oh, it's hot today. We should have got some sunscreen today. I think we're gonna burn. We're gonna have to go back that way. Oh, that's the bar.
Oh, okay, that's on the side.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, because we was right over here.
We weren't on this side. Oh, yeah, yeah.
We was up there.
Woo, it's hot today. I'm a burn. I need some sunscreen.
Maybe when you got somebody got some.
We need it because I'm a burn. I already know it. The sun directly on me. How we? Oh.
Did we make a wrong turn?
I don't think so.
We couldn't go over no kind of way.
It's beautiful.
Now we're heading away. Oh, you're right, but we gotta go that way.
Oh my God. Look, y'all. He ain't gonna mess with you. It's another little pool right there. It's like a private pool. Oh, this is pretty, pretty, pretty. Saloon. Saloon. Oh, this is pretty.
Beach club this way.
Beach club. Hopefully they play some good music today. This is beautiful.
So to get clarification, today is anything day. No, they didn't say nothing. I guess they didn't respond so far. They probably can't respond. They might not. I thought about that too.
What's wrong?
Boy, y'all tripped me out.
Oh.
Y'all was stumping at the same time. I was like, you not taking your shower. I said, you should have been recording that fool grabbed me. He was in the shower. I was saying that this morning.
That was so funny.
Yes, it was.
You was like, we just passed that. After you done jumped at your skin, you didn't want to act crazy.
Oh my God. She jumping, you jumping.
I swear that was a head of something. Like, I just knew it was. No.
Oh, shoot. Oh, we at the pool. Nobody got their mask on.
Yeah.
Nobody got their mask on.
Still going the right way here.
That's the breakfast. Oh, yeah. Breakfast buffet.
Oh, they still got some places.
Is that you can eat? Can you eat today? Nope. I think it's only for complimentary breakfast.
Oh, pretty. Looks like we're in a wild forest. So we're heading back to the beach club where we went yesterday.
My booty looks stank.
No. Ooh. My foot. It's hot, y'all. I need to put on some sunscreen because I'm gonna burn today. I know it.
I think it's this way.
I'm gonna burn, but we're almost there. And I'll show you guys if we can get a cabana. We're gonna try to get a cabana by the pool, but I don't know because we're a little later today than we was yesterday. But no, we came about the same time yesterday. Oh, they closed. Yeah, we probably not gonna get anything today, but we're gonna cross our fingers that we get a good one today. Get some food and some drinks and relax. Okay, so we came back to the beach club. We're waiting on them to clean our bandana. We're gonna be like right over there. But it's so pretty. Let me show y'all. Highly recommend the Vedanta Beach Club. It's so nice, and the beach is right out there. And we have a cabana right there in the middle of the pool. We wanted this one, but I think somebody already reserved it, so. Woo! And stuck. But yeah. It's cold today? Because it's so hot out here.
That's cold today.
So pretty, y'all. So we're waiting. I'm in the pool, guys. We got our cabana. Let's order some drinks. Yeah, I didn't tell y'all. So we got a massage at this place called the Brio Spa. What you got? It's
happy hour over? Over? You need the menu? I'll wait till I drink a little bit. Sorry, y'all, I just ordered my drink. But we got massages and I got a facial. Look at my facial. Like, it's so nice and glowy. Skin feels amazing. I feel amazing. I'm about to drink, eat, and we about to turn it up for the rest of the day. I think this place closes at 5, so we're gonna stay here until it closes. But I'm about to just enjoy. Sorry, I'm about to order me some food. I'll order when you come back.
He's telling the menu though. He's telling you what's on the menu.
I'm gonna look at it. So my drink is fine for now. So I ordered some lunch, y'all. I got a chicken club. It has like avocado on it and like some spicy sauce and bacon. I got some regular fries. This is like some type of like honey mustard-ish type of sauce. Then I got some Parmesan fries, a lot of fries. And then I got a margarita. I did have a, what was this? Sex on the Beach. I didn't like it though, so I got a margarita. Yummy. Okay, y'all, so it's late now. What time is it? I think it's like 8 here. My camera's acting really weird, but hopefully the footage is okay. But we've been home for a while, actually. We've been home for about 2 hours. I just took a nice bubble bath in the jacuzzi tub, and I've just been laying around checking some emails and stuff. My mom's on the phone in there. She gotta talk to everybody in the family. But anyway, I don't talk to nobody here. I'm on vacation. But anyway, so we just got our dinner. We're about to eat dinner, and then I'm going to bed because I'm so tired from today. The pool, the beach, everything, and then that massage, everything. I'm just wiped. I'm ready to go to bed. So I'm gonna show y'all what we got for dinner. Let me show y'all. So that's my dinner. What? Looking crazy.
Felicia, you want Felicia?
Her food not
here.
Her food.
Coming later.
It's not here. That's why I didn't wake her up.
But what's all that?
That's her cheesecake, but her pizza isn't here yet.
Oh, so I can order some soda or something to drink.
I mean, you have water, but if you would like soda, I don't know if they can bring you just the soda.
Why they can't? With her food, with her pizza?
It's already. Go ahead, you can order.
I'm saying, can't they? You think they can't? Yeah.
You gotta ask. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure. But yeah, so this is what I got. It looks really good. And it is a salmon with some brown rice and some vegetables. So I'm about to eat, and I'm not going to bed. Tomorrow we're supposed to be going to breakfast with everybody who came on the vacation. Supposed to be going to breakfast, and then we're going to go to, where are we going? I'm so tired.
but we're supposed to go to breakfast, and then we're going on a boat. So I'm really excited about that. And we're supposed to be doing like different activities and stuff like that. So I'm so excited for tomorrow. Tomorrow's our last full day in Mexico. So I'm sad, but I'm excited to have our last full day. Be bomb, and then back to reality. But I'm excited. I've enjoyed my time here. Mexico is amazing. I always say this every trip I go on, like, this is the best trip I've been on. I feel like I say that every trip I go on, which is a good thing. I feel like every trip I go on, I should feel like it's the best trip. And I feel like this trip is hands down the best trip that I've been on. Like, this tops Miami. Definitely. This tops Miami. Yeah. Definitely. This tops Miami, hands down. And Vegas. I went to Vegas. This tops Vegas. Definitely. So this is the best trip I've been on. I've had so much fun. I highly recommend this resort. I highly recommend Cancun. So yeah. I'm so tired though. I've had a great day. Like, this was the best day ever. Hopefully tomorrow tops today because it's our last official day in Mexico. Dear, I don't want to leave. No, but I'm ready to go back and see my child. And I start school. I think tomorrow I start school. So I got classes and stuff I gotta start doing. And yeah, I'm so tired, y'all. But I'm about to eat my dinner and I'm about to go to bed. So I will catch up with you guys tomorrow. I know this vlog has probably been all over the place, but I've just been really enjoying myself, y'all. So I really wanted to vlog for my YouTube channel. So I tried my best. I think I got some really good footage though, like really good footage of everything.
I guess we'll have no soda in the drink, but water.
She said you couldn't
They're
have
already
it.
on the way.
I don't know why you wait.
I didn't know you didn't order nothing to drink. I thought you
Nobody said they wanted anything to drink.
I just assumed I would have had something.
I'm just tired and cranky.
Who?
I'm talking to my people. I don't know why it looks like this. But yeah, I'm gonna see. I'm so sleepy. I need to charge my camera battery. But good morning, guys. So my necklaces are like tangled up. But let me get myself together because I'm not together, to be honest. Good morning, y'all. So we're just waking up. My hair looks crazy because of the humidity. I'm surprised it's still holding on. But we're just waking up. It's like 7:30. It's like 7:30 in the morning. I think it's like 8:30 in the US Eastern Standard Time. It's like 8:30. But it's 7:30 here. We're up early. We have some activities to do today. We're going to breakfast with everybody that we came on the trip with, and then we're going to on a boat. I don't know if it's a yacht or if it's like a big boat. I don't know really what to expect, but we're going on a boat. So yeah. It's we came for a bunch of like birthdays. So I hate the way this does this, but we came for birthdays. So we celebrated one of our friend's daughter's birthday, her sweet 16. This was pretty much her whole trip. And then my mom's friend's birthday is today, and then my mom's birthday is tomorrow. So it's a bunch of birthdays, but today is our last full day in Mexico. I'm so sad. I'm gonna miss this view. I'm gonna miss waking up to that. But ooh, it's bright. But yeah, so we're going on a boat. So today we're supposed to wear yellow today, And then we're supposed to be doing a lot of activities and some other little things that we're supposed to do today. So we're all wearing the same color. I hope y'all can hear me, but this is like my morning voice. So we're wearing yellow. I'm so excited about this. Let me see. So I'm wearing my hat today, so I'm super excited about that. I probably wear my hat all night, to be honest. And we're wearing white tonight to dinner. I'm super excited about that because I have these shoes that I really want to wear. I have this white romper. I'm gonna show you guys. I have this white romper, and then I have these blue chunky shoes that I bought. I think I actually, yeah, I showed you guys in my vacation hot girl summer haul or whatever I'm gonna name it. That'll probably be up before this. I'm gonna try to get all this uploaded, all these videos edited and uploaded shit. I don't know when, but it'll be up before the end of next week, all of them, because I have a whole week to do nothing. But yeah, I'm off work and I start my new job next week, so I have like a whole week to just do whatever I want, kind of. So I'm gonna catch up on like my YouTube stuff, social media stuff, business stuff, anyway. But yeah, so you guys will see the shoes a little closer up with the shoes. But this is my bathing suit, and this is also in my haul. Majority of everything, y'all, that y'all see me wearing is in my haul. So if you kind of want to know where I got some things from, my haul is the best place to look. And that video will be up before this one, so you guys will be able to get that information if you want any of these pieces. And I'm gonna be doing so many more hauls as well. But this is my bathing suit. I don't know if y'all can even see it because it's so bright, but it's like a cheetah bathing suit. It's really, really cute. And then I got y'all, my stomach is hurting. I think my lady friend is trying to come. I feel it. I feel like she's coming, and it hurt. My stomach is just, ugh, I'm just very yucky today. Why you talking about me? Okay, I'm done. But yeah, so I feel like she's coming, girl. And I'm not on birth control, so I can't stop her from taking course. So that's a little annoying, but it's cool. I'm gonna just take some medicine, some Advil, and I just gotta take me a tampon with me. I think I brought one, so. But luckily today is the last day. We're not doing too much today. We'll just be chilling on the boat. They'll probably have like some activities like jet skiing, hopefully, or something, you know, to do. So, and I got this to put over everything. Cover up. And I'm also wearing some shorts. And I'm so bloated, y'all. So I'm happy that I'm wearing a one piece today. Because I'm so bloated. You can just see how bloated I am right there. And I haven't even eaten anything. I literally look like I'm 2 months pregnant. But that's just bloat. I need to get that together. But anyway, so yeah, that's what I'm wearing today. And I'm probably gonna put on these shorts. Where are the shorts at? Let me find these shorts. I gotta find the shorts. Oh, they're here. Oh, my battery's dying. But yeah, I got these shorts to wear. I think I'm gonna wear these too. But yeah, y'all, so I'm about to charge my battery so I can film for today. Cause yeah, I want to film on my camera. I think I'm gonna film everything on my phone. Yeah, because I don't want to take this camera on the boat. So yeah, I'm gonna film everything on my phone. So I will catch you guys when I'm dressed. I'll show you guys the full look, and yeah.